Good morning, class 10th. So today we start the exercise 5.3, question number 3rd, sixth part. In sixth part, that the given is a value is 2 and d value is 8 and Sn is given that 90. This only. So now find the value of n and an. Okay. Apply the formula of Sn, n by 2, that 2a plus n minus 1 d. Sn value is that 90 is equals to n upon 2. 2a means 4 plus n minus 1, that d value is what? 8. It will be 180 is equals to n 4 plus, it will be multiplied inside. So 8n minus 8. Okay, then 180 is equals to n 4 minus 8. 8n minus 4. Okay, then 180 is equals to multiplied n inside, 8n into n, 8n square minus 4n. Now 180 is shifted there. So equation is 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equals to 0. So this will be the equation. We make it more easier when we divide the whole equation by 4. It will be more easier. If I divide whole equation by 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 4 1s are 4 minus 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. So this will be the equation now. That 45 into 2 we have to do. Here we have to apply that middle term splitting we will apply here. That 2 into 45, it will be what? 90. That we have to split 90 like that. That final result should be minus 1. That minus 1 we will get now. Simple answer is that 90 will be divided in that 9 and 10. 9 into 10, 90, and 9 minus 10 will be minus 1. So I will write here 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equals to 0. 2n will be common, then n minus 5 plus 9 will be common, n minus 5 is equals to 0. So two factors are, first one is n minus 5, second is 2n plus 9 is equals to 0. Here the value of n is 5. Minus 9 upon 2, n can't be negative, we all know. The number of terms will never be negative. So the value of n is 5. Now sixth part we get the value of n, find the an. Now you can find an. An formula is what? A plus n minus 1 d. So a value is 2 plus n minus 1. N value is 5. 5 minus 1, d value is 8. So 2 plus 4, 8 4 is 32. It will be 34. So an will be 34. Now seventh part. A value is 8, an is given, Sn is given, find n and d. Okay. Seventh part. A is 8, then an is 62 and Sn is 210. We have to find the value of n and d. Now back to the question. Okay, now A value is 8, An is 62. Now we put the formula of Sn. Sn formula is which one? N by 2, A plus An, that one. Okay, now Sn value is 210, N value we don't know. Okay, A value is 8, An value is 62. Now I think easiest question this one. 210, N by 2, 62 plus 8, 70, 2 divided by 70, that 35. Now 35 divided by 210 will be the value of N. We can divide by the table of 5, 5 7s are 5 4s are 5 2s are 7 1s are 7 6s are. So the value of N is 6. Now N value is 6. Now you can find the D by the putting the formula of An. An is equals to A plus N minus 1 D. All the things are available in the question. Now 8th part. 8th is An is given, D is given, Sn is given. Eighth part, An is given 4, D is given 2, Sn is given minus 14. Find N and A. Now first I apply that formula of An. A plus N minus 1 D. Now An value is 4, A value we don't have, N minus 1 and the value of D is 2. Okay. 4 is equals to A plus 2 will be multiplied 2N minus 2. Then 4 is equals to A plus 2N and minus 2 will be shifted here, it will be plus 2. So 6 is equals to A plus 2N, or the value of A is what? 6 minus 2N. So we don't have the value of A and N. So this will be the result. It will be useful afterwards. Now I apply this formula Sn1, N by 2, A plus An, this one. Sn value is given minus 14. Okay. N value we don't have, A value we also don't have, and An is what? 4. Minus 14, N by 2. Now a result we already find it. A value is 6 minus 2N. That I will put here. 6 minus 2N plus 4. It will be multiplied here. 14 2s are minus 28N. Now 6 plus 4, 10 minus 2N minus 28 multiplied inside 10N minus 2N square. It will be shifted here. 2N square minus 10N minus 28 is equals to 0. We divide the whole equation by the table of 2. That it will be N square minus 5N minus 14 is equals to 0. Now 14 will be the factor that the answer comes should be 5. 7 and 2. N square minus 7N plus 2N minus 14 is equals to 0. That the N minus 7 plus 2 N minus 7 is equals to 0. Now the value of N is 7 and minus 2. So 7 will be the value of N. So total number of terms are 7. Now we have to find the value of A also. Okay. Now I put the value of 7 here. A is equals to 6 minus 2 into 7. Now 6 minus 7 2s are 14. Now it will be minus 8. So the value of A is what? Minus 8. Now 9th part. A is given, N is given, S is given. D we have to find. A simple question is there. Put the formula of Sn is equals to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 in D. And you can find the value of D. And 10th part is L. L means An. L means what? An only. S is the sum. There are total 9 terms. And what we have to find? Given that there are total 9 terms and L, I think A we have to find. In the question number 10th, na A we have to find. Okay, 10th one I will give a little bit hint to you all. Tenth one, EN is 28 and SN is 144 and there are total 9 terms. N will be what? 9. Find A. So simple, apply the formula of SN, N by 2 A plus AN. SN value is 144, N value is 9 upon 2. A we have to find, AN is 28. It will be multiplied here, 288 is equals to 9, A plus 28. Now 9 will be divided by the table of 2, in the table of 288, A plus 28, 9 3 is a 27 and 9 2 is a 18. Then 32 is equals to A plus 28, 32 minus 28, the value of A is 4. This is the answer. Easy question. Now we move to the question number 4th. Now question number 4th is, how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to the given sum is 636. Fourth question, AP is given that 9, 17, 25. Okay, A is given 9. D is 17 minus 9, 8. Then sum is given 636. We have to find the value of N. We already done this type of a question, Sn in the previous part, third part only. If I apply the formula of N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D, and you will get the value of N. The easy question is there, this one. Now fifth one. Practice as more as you can, then only you will get the right result. Fifth one part is, fifth question is, the first term of an AP is 5, means A value is given 5. Last term AN is 45. Then he is saying that sum is 400, SN is also given 400. Again same question, find the number of terms, but this time a little bit different is there. That one we can't apply that formula, this one we have to apply. A plus AN, SN is 400, N by 2, A is 5 plus 45, 400, N upon 2, 5 plus 45 is 50, divided by that 25, 25 divided by 400 divided by 25, N, it will be 8 times. 8 times not, 16 times. The value of N is 16. Now we have to find the common difference also. Then apply the formula of an. A plus n minus 1 d. An is 45, a is 5, n minus 1, n is 16, 16 minus 1 is 15 d. Okay, 5 will come here, 45 minus 5, 40 is equals to 15 d. 15 will go in the divide because it is in the multiplied. So 5 8 is a 14, 5 3 is a 15. So the value of d is what? 8 upon 3, and this is the answer. Now question number 6th. Sixth one is the homework. The first and last term of an AP is given, A and AN is given, common difference is given, then I find the n. We already done that type of question also. Seventh one. Question number 7th. Find the sum of first 22 terms. Seventh one I will also give homework, but I give some hint to you all. Seventh one. Seventh one question is, find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP. As 22 we have to find, okay, in which d is 7, d value is given 7, and the 22nd term is 149. Okay, means A22 is given 149. So what we can write at A22? A plus 21 d is equals to 149, or the value of d is 7, 149. So A plus 7, 147. So the value of A is 149 minus 147. A value is 2. A value we have, D value we have. Now N value we already have 22. Now we can find the sum. N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Now 8th question. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third term is given 14 and 8 respectively. Eighth is, find the sum of first 51 terms. As 51 we have to find whose second and third term is 14 and 18. Second term A2 is 14 and third term is 18. So A2 we can write A plus D, and A3 we can write A plus 2D. Now you can apply elimination here. D minus 2D minus D. 14 minus 18 minus 4. Then the value of D is what? 4. Now A plus D is what? 14. So D value is 4. 14. So the value of A is 14 minus 4, 10. So the value of D is 4, A value is 10. Now Sn you have to find again. 51 will be the value of n. N by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D you can apply, and you will get the result in the question number 8th. Now up to question number 9 we will discuss in the next class. So thank you all of you. Be safe at home, be healthy.